your favorites and how to talk about them. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on expressing likes in conversational English. In this video, we're diving into the world of preferences, more specifically the concept of favorite. Having a favorite means you like something more than anything else in a particular category. Knowing how to talk about your favorites can help make your conversations more engaging and personal. Firstly, let's understand the definition of favorite. The word favorite is an adjective that describes something preferred to all others of the same kind. For example, if you say, "My favorite color is blue," it means that out of all the colors, you prefer blue the most. It's the one that you like above all others. Now that we know the definition of favorite, let's see how to use it in sentences. 1. My favorite movie is The Lord of the Rings. Here, the word favorite is describing the noun movie, indicating the preferred one among all you've watched. 2. I am reading my favorite book at the moment. In this sentence, favorite is used to describe the noun book, specifying that it's the one you like best. Remember, you can also use favorite with plural nouns. For example, pasta and pizza are my favorite foods. Often, in conversation, people might ask you about your favorites. Let's look at how you might respond. 1. Question: What's your favorite song? Response: My favorite song is Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen. 2. Question: Who is your favorite author? Response: My favorite author is J.K. Rowling. Remember, you can replace song and author with any category to ask about someone's favorite in that category. And that's it. Now, you know what favorite means and how to use it in sentences. It's a great way to express your preferences and make your conversations more personal. So go ahead and start sharing your favorites with others. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next one.